Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix True Tone not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix True Tone not working on iPhone iOS 17. So first solution, you have software update. Check the on your iPhone. Open the setting, so you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. While you are facing this issue, Tune is not working on iPhone, then second solution, you have restart your device. So simple, you have fixed this issue. This solution is working on your iPhone. If there you have restarted your iPhone, simple ways to fix this issue: press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. If there your problem will be fixed. If their second solution is not working, their third solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset or setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings of iPhone, then uh, your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.